An ECO, or engineering change order, is a formal process to manage revisions. Bild makes it easy to track these updates, as well as automate their approval and release. To create an ECO, navigate to the ECO page within your workspace. Click the New button in the top right corner and select the files you want to include. Click the Next button, enter a name and an optional description. If you want to include any children files, select this checkbox. Each one will appear here. Click this checkbox if you would like to view only direct children. You can further filter your options or select them all. You may also choose between available displayed configurations for the parent file in this drop-down. Once you are satisfied, click the Next button again. All configurations are added to the change order automatically. If there are any configurations you do not want included, make those selections here. Finally, click Create, and we can see the ECO populate here, along with an in-app notification of its creation. This feature eliminates manual tracking of changes and reduces costly design and production errors that slow down your team.